I feel it's like, whoa. You cannot count on my show. Calling my phone like you know. You wouldn't leave it alone. I'm asking you to play nice. Let's not pretend you were nice. You just don't want me to smile. It's been that way for a while. But I've been on my godsend. I've been moving mountains. Been fucking and been grounded. In love with my surroundings. Can't fuck with me, you so small. My love, it was a close call. It's okay, you fucked up.
Ja!
Ey, ihr habt alle nicht angestoßen, los. Ja. Mann, ey, das hier.
Du sollst doch nicht filmen, du sollst ein Foto machen. So.
Ja.
Cheers, bitches!
Mhm.
Auf E-Marsch nehmen, ja.
Oh.
Oh, lecker. Ich mag das.
Mhm.
Kann sich doch nur maulen, Alter.
Nee.
Nee, das funktioniert schon.
Muss halt ein bisschen mehr drauf haben als nur Zahnbelag.
Das ist mal gar nichts, was ihr da bringt.
Wie ich überhaupt nicht vorwärts komme.
Sieht aus wie vom Altersheim hier mit euch.
Ja, das könnte hinkommen.
Aber die machen wenigstens noch Tricks.
Ich hab mir jetzt Herz.
Das ist witzig. Oh, schön durch den Sand. Ey, schon durchgebrochen, die Karre, Alter, Mikey. Ah, ich weiß es nicht. Alter, voll weggebrochen.
Oh,
Oh, warte, ey, pass auf, deine scheiß Bird!
Was für eine Was für eine
Junge! Weißt du dich ab? Ja, du hast
Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine.
I wanna be the best. I wanna wake up feeling like I fucking slept. I wanna prove you wrong, that my story isn't written. I wanna be something gold, I wanna be someone different. Wanna turn back the clock, tell my father to be stronger, cause he missed me growing up. And I wanna tell the little girl in the corner of that room, don't lose hope, just be brave, things get better soon. I wanna fall in love. I wanna crash and burn but learn to rise above. And I don't care about success, I just wanna make you proud. I wanna be the kind of person who shows up and sticks around. I wanna stay sincere, but that kind of thing is tricky when you give up all yourself and still the end result is iffy. Like nothing I've created even matters. So now I wanna do stupid shit, I wanna get fucking plastered, wanna get out my brain, wanna shed my skin. I need to find someone to tuck me in. I want you to know that I wanna be better, but it feels like it's gonna take forever. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. I wanna do it all. I wanna stand up straight but have the strength to fall. I wanna tell my cousin to stop treating people bad. I know you think that no one sees, but I've been keeping tabs. I wanna be consoled, I want the world to change. I wanna die when I'm old, and I don't wanna make mistakes that I've been watching all my life. It's easy to do because I wanna be good despite. I wanna go somewhere else, I wanna get super high. Tell you to go fuck yourself, cause shit, I'm doing fine. I wanna go break the chain of what I'm supposed to be. I wanna locate my faith, drop down on both my knees. And honestly, I wanna ask if you'd stay for a night, for a week, or just a day. Always moving too late, shit I've been regretting. I wanna throw my phone, I wanna quit confessing. I wanna cast the blame, but nobody's at fault. Confusion got me building these walls. I want you to know that I wanna be better, but it feels like it's gonna take forever. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it